Today we're doing this Isuzu box truck for my friend's moving company. Once we lift this up, it's just like doing a Chevy. So they make you